I'm Ranse Partin. I'm one of the founding partners here at Conley Griggs Partin. Aviation cases are fascinating to work on because they involve a multitude of systems. You have to know what makes the plane fly, what makes the propeller spin, how the pilot in the plane talks with air traffic control, how the pilot in the plane talks to other pilots, the proper way to land an airplane, how airports are designed. You have to understand the weather information that's available to the pilot and how the pilot should interpret that weather information, whether that pilot should have been flying that day or not. Aviation cases are one of the most complex cases that you can handle just because they involve such a myriad of different types of information that you have to have some base level of knowledge in order to even determine, does the client have a case? Is it worth moving forward with the case? You know, with other types of cases, whether it's a tractor-trailer collision or an explosion or a car crash, not too long after you get the case, and sometimes even before the case gets to us, it's known what caused the crash or the tragedy. It could be a drunk driver, it could be a tire that's blown out, it could be a semi-truck driver that veered off the road. With an aviation case, usually the question is, why did the plane go down? Why did the helicopter crash? And so we have to take that case believing in ourselves that we can figure out why the plane crashed, because the client is ready to move forward with their case and they're looking for a lawyer that will take the case and figure out what happened. And so oftentimes there may be multiple parties that could have contributed to what happened. It could be an air traffic control error. It could be a product defect in the prop that caused the plane to stop running. It could be an error by the pilot that interpreted weather information incorrectly and flew when he shouldn't have flown. And you have to be able to look at each individual scenario and invest the time and resources to figure out which one was the cause of this crash. I've been honored to be able to represent people that have suffered catastrophic injuries or losses in their families. If we can be of help to you or someone you know, we're here to help.